Hi, I'm here to take a topic on building digital business applications and infrastructure. So here, digital infrastructure is a vital combinations of hardware and software technologies that will enable the efficient business operations by facilitating data management, connectivity, collaboration, and automation. So here, the significance of digital infrastructure lies on the roles as the foundation of economic stability, enabling businesses to adapt the market changes and supporting innovations, remote works, and supply chain management. So there are challenges facing digital infrastructure development that includes the data security, scalability, and compliances with regulations, highlighting the needs of strategic planning and expert partnership with those of offered as a future processing. So here, what is a digital infrastructure? So it can be a combination of physical hardware and software technologies that forms the backbone of an organization, that is the IT operations, flowing the delivery of the digital services. So here the connectivity within these infrastructure is critical, especially with the data for volumes from IoT and AIML and hybrid cloud technologies. So this necessitates the right digital infrastructure that will help to ensure the efficiency of the business operations, whereas traditional hardware infrastructures is having a lower deployment, it needs higher maintenance requirements, and it is a downtime for upgradation, so simply can't keep a pace with the demand of the modern digital economy. So here, digital infrastructure, it is referred not only for driving forces behind communication and data system, but it also helps the enabler of interaction among the employees and customers. So though various softwares, applications, technologies, and operating system exist, it provides the tools and platforms for collaborating, supporting efficient teamworks, and helps in increasing the productivity and business operations. So it is streamlines the business process through workflow automation and operation optimization. So next we have why digital business is important. So it is an increasing interconnected global economy. So digital infrastructure is more than just a nice to have, it is a necessity. So here the digital highway that connects the businesses to their market, suppliers, and the customers, and people to people. So is it what the economy running smoothly, especially in the face of global like pandemics. So here digital infrastructure sectors in the state of rapid expansion. So in the advancement in virtual technologies such as AI, mobility, remote works, location intelligence, and global collaboration. Next, digital infrastructure sectors. So here it supports the economic stability and recovery, and it is also enabling business to provide, adopt, and continue to deliver the values in the challenging times. So this is why the confidently says that the digital infrastructure is important, because it is a lifeblood that keeps the digital economy. So here the benefits of digital technologies. So it enhances the customer experience, it improves the underwriting and risk assessment, it also have a efficient claim processing, it has advanced analytical and predictive modeling, fraud detection and prevention, and then it is also user based insurance, then insurtech collaboration, blockchain for trust and efficiency, risk prevention and mitigation, data driven decision making, cost reduction, innovation, and product development. So the benefits of digital infrastructure, it also offers benefits that is one of the most profound impact in the effect on technology. So it improved the connectivity, it facilitate the enhanced digital networks, accelerate the digital transformation, and opening up new regional markets. So another significant benefit of digital infrastructure, it's supposed in the remote area, and it also has a pool expansion, allowing business to operate efficiently and hire from a wider geographical ranges. And it also sees that the entire data through the robot data center networks like AWS Digital, and it is also providing the supply chain management. It enabling the government to streamline and administrative process through e business services, and it is also helping the digital infrastructure with replacing the legacy system, and vast they are being impactful. So these are the benefits and the digital infrastructure. Thank you.